Hey, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today I want to show you guys how I make a grilled chicken salad sandwich. What I have right here is a half a dozen boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And what I did was a few hours ago is I put them in this big old Ziploc bag, and then I emptied about half of the bottle, which is the remainder of it, of this Stubbs chicken marinade. And this is a citrus and onion marinade. I've used it before. This gives it some really great flavor. I've already got a couple chimneys of charcoal fired up. We're gonna be cooking on the Weber kettle today. Stick around, we'll see you at the grill. So once your coals are ashed over nice, get them poured right into the kettle, and then we gotta let these grates get hot. For this cook, I'm gonna be using these grill grates. They heat really evenly and they leave some great grill marks on your meat. Okay guys, the grates are nice and hot. It's been about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna give them a quick dose of cooking spray and we'll get our chicken on. And as always, with any extra marinade, I like to just drizzle a little. All right, I'm gonna throw some hickory chunks right in there. Get some smoke flavor on these, why not? This will taste real good. Put another one in right there. We'll get it closed and let it roll for a little bit. Okay guys, it's been a few minutes and it's time to give these bad boys a flip. We got some pretty good char going. Some nice marks from these grill grates. Some hickory smoke rolling. Oh yeah, beautiful. You're gonna make for some good sandwiches. Get it closed up, then we'll take them off. Okay guys, this chicken's looking really good. I know this is done. If you want to be safe, by all means, give it a temp. It should temp out right at 165. Okay guys, so we got our chicken here, and I've let this cool down to the touch. It's real easy to handle. It's not gonna burn your hand or anything like that. But all we're gonna do with these chicken thighs is we're just gonna take the knife, you know, something like this, just pull it apart. This will probably come apart pretty easy, but you just want to kind of... Actually, you know what? We're not even going to use a knife. We're just going to pull it apart. Shred this right up and throw it right in this bowl. Why not? Now that we've got our chicken all shredded up, we're gonna add a good amount of mayonnaise to this. We're gonna mix all this up. It's gonna be our chicken salad. If you wanna add some chopped celery to this, by all means, go right ahead. I'm not doing that today, but there's nothing wrong with a little chopped celery in this. Once you got it all mixed up like this, what I like to do is I like to throw it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Let it just get a little bit of a chill on it and let some of those flavors come together with the mayonnaise. It's gonna be sandwich making time. Okay guys, so while our chicken was cooling off, I cooked up a couple slices of bacon and I cut up this English toasting bread in some nice thick slices. You could use Texas toast. Texas toast would be perfect for this sandwich, now that I think of it. I cut this English toasting bread in some nice thick slices, threw it in the toaster for a little bit, gave it a light toast and then a light coat of butter. Now it's time to make some sandwiches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with this one right here, is I'm gonna take a little bit of this Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia Onion barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna give just a light on the bottom piece of the bread here. And I'm just gonna spread that right over. Remember, this isn't a barbecue sandwich. This is a chicken salad sandwich, but I could not put that on there. So now what we want to do is we want to spare no chicken. I'll stack that chicken right on. I'm gonna bust up a slice of bacon and lay that right there. I'm gonna take this big old tomato, set it right on top. And I'm gonna come over. A couple pieces of lettuce. I'm gonna call that one done right there. Look at the size of that Sammy. I'm gonna call that done as well. Now it's time to give these a taste. Okay, you guys, before I go ham on these chicken salad sandwiches, let's do a quick run through of what we did. We had half a dozen boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We threw them in a big quart-sized Ziploc bag, and then we put some Stubbs chicken marinade in there, and then we tossed them in the fridge for a couple hours. After a couple hours, we fired up the Weber kettle. We used 2 chimneys of charcoal, got it nice and hot, set our grates back in, and then we cooked this chicken on the grill grates for any grill. Made out of aluminum. They heat up really, really evenly, and they put some nice sear marks on your meat. We even toss a little bit of hickory on the charcoal just to give it a little bit of smoke flavor. Cooked the chicken for a total of about 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes aside. Pulled it off, let it cool down to the touch, tore it all up, threw it in a bowl, added some mayonnaise to it, and let it just chill out in the fridge for about 20 minutes. During that time, we cooked up a few slices of bacon. We got our veggies ready, which was lettuce and tomato. And then we took this English toasting bread and we cut some nice thick slices in it. And we threw it in the toaster, gave it a light toast, and then gave it a nice light coating of butter. Then we came back and we slapped these things together. We even threw a little bit of the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet Vidalia onion on there. And I can't tell you how happy I am to try this because I'm starving. So I'm gonna go for this one right here. I'm gonna use a big old knife. Let's see if I can. Wow. You gotta reassemble after you cut. Okay, moment of truth here, guys. Here we go. Over on this side. Kind of tough to hold together. Mmm. That's got some good flavor, man. Woo. That Stubbs marinade really nails it. Really does. And the sweet Vidalia Sweet Baby Ray's on here. Oh, it's great. You got the crunch from the bacon, from the lettuce, tomato on there. You got butter and toast. Ugh. This is a perfect type of sandwich for lunch. Reminds me of summertime. Nice and cool, but just packed full of flavor. You got the char flavor from the grill. You got the hickory flavor from the smoke. This is a slamming sandwich. I'm gonna have to do these more often. This would be great in a wrap. If you made like a chicken Caesar salad wrap, oh man, I can't even, don't even get me going. I absolutely love this. Probably one of the top 5 sandwiches. That might be a little bit of a stretch, but a solid sandwich, you get what I'm saying. Wow. Another home run. Serving this in a pita would be good. Listen, I get one up in this recipe the further I get into it. Mmm. This is a man sandwich right here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Could eat a sandwich like this every day. Listen, guys. If you like what you see here, and you like the food that we're putting out on this channel, give us a subscribe. Check us out on Instagram, check us out on Facebook. Leave us your feedback in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.